Hey guys, welcome back to the Gill Switch, where we work on cars and improve if a teen can do it, so can you. Today, I'm going to be attempting to drive stick, and I'll show you all the tips and tricks that I know along the way. So now, let's get into the car and I'll try to explain everything. So guys, just a quick rundown. With the manual, it's all about controlling the transmission that the automatic typically does. And with most manuals today, it's either a 4, 5, or 6, which this one's a 6-speed. And you can just kind of row through it like that by just putting in your clutch, which is the closest pedal to your door. So then after that, you have your brake and then your gas like a normal car. So now let's start her up and let's just dive in and try to attempt it. So when you go to start up your car, make sure that your car's in neutral. Just give it a good thing like that. And then put it in the clutch, have your brake on, and then turn it over. You don't want it to be in gear when you start up, so then it doesn't like jump into anything. So now you put it into first gear, and now you want to slowly let go of the clutch. You're gonna feel, I just stalled it. So don't do that. You're gonna wanna, the parking brake's off. Okay. So now you want to let go of the clutch slowly. You're going to feel it kind of start to bite. That's when you feel like pressure. And then without even giving gas, you can already feel it moving. And then let it go and you're going. So now you give it gas. And I'm going to attempt to change gears. So there we go, we're in second. So this is a road, so you got to make sure that you stop and check. Alright, so now we're just going to stall it. That was planned. See, when it's your first time, you're gonna make a lot of errors, but that's just how you learn. So now just let it out slowly. When you're first starting, just go slowly. Get comfortable with it. So we're just gonna turn around here. Now I'm gonna try to attempt to shift gears again. When you go to shift gears, make sure that you push the clutch in all the way and you don't have your foot on the gas. So now, it's gonna try to downshift now, which is just, you push the clutch in and then you go into first. Then you let it like that, which kind of shaky for me right now. Now we're coming up to the road again, because I'm just doing a loop. So now clutch in, press your brake so that you don't stall. Well, you want to push in your clutch so that you don't stall. Then brake, make sure that no one's coming, and let your clutch out slowly. And then stall. It's all about a process. When you start, it's a lot of process. It's just stalling, going, kind of like that. So now we're just gonna. Oh, not the greatest. I'm basically just going to be doing loops, just kind of getting a feel for everything. Stay off of the road for now, because just take off a bit of pressure. Now clutch in, going to first. My downshifting could use a bit of help. Now brake. Hopefully I won't stall this one. And I did. So guys, as you can see, I need a lot of work, but I'm going to show you some clips of me practicing and fast forward, and make sure that whenever you go to turn off your car, you put in the clutch, press brake, put it in neutral, and when you're stopped, you gotta push your e-brake in, which is actually a pedal for me. And then you wanna slide it, turn it off, and then you wanna slide it into first gear, because that's gonna act like the parking for a manual. So, you also want to practice going in reverse. To get into reverse, it's kind of like the same thing. Clutch in, brake, and then also for us, it's all the way to the left, push up. For some cars, it might be go down. Just know your car. And now, if you do it right, like let the clutch out slowly. If you do it correctly, you just start going backwards, and I stalled. So let's try it again. Okay guys, so that concludes our video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. If you didn't, tell us what I could do better in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go drive.